going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So, it's Friday, and you know, the weekend started. So, what better way to start the weekend by starting it with an unboxing? You feel me? So we gonna start the weekend off right, y'all. We got an unboxing today. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. That way y'all don't miss any of the content I put out on the channel, as well as give your boy a thumbs up and let your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, know y'all rocking with your boy, and drop a comment below and let me know what y'all thought about the unboxing. You dig? So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this unboxing. Alright, y'all, so we got the box out, you dig? So, y'all, this unboxing today is being brought to us by none other than one of my bros, Flow Size 8. Y'all head over to Instagram, follow my bro, posting dope content, always crazy sneaker collector. Him and my bro, B-Boy Law Spin, they always be providing us with unboxings. And then, if you guys want to see the finished product of this, y'all go head over to my boy and follow him on Instagram. So, bro picked up these kicks for a steal, y'all, and he's actually doing, as y'all see, man, we taking it old school with them Jordan boxes, man. I ain't got no more of these in my collection. I've had quite a bit of these back in the day, but you know, well, I won't say quite a bit. I had my couple share, but y'all already know it's an older retro by the box. You know what I'm saying? So it's an Air Jordan 5, white, black, fire, red. We taking over for the 99 and the 2000s, y'all. Taking y'all back to 1999 with this pair, y'all. Now, Flo is actually going to be restoring the shoe, but man, I had to see him. OG classic look to it with the retro card. So you got that Air Jordan 5 retro card. Taking it back, man. Back when Jordans weren't as expensive as they are now. And there we have it. They all packaged up and everything, but we're going to take a look at them, y'all. Now, really dope. Bro's gonna actually, I'm gonna show you guys, he's gonna actually do a little project with it. He's getting the midsole changed out, so he'll be changing out the soles of the shoe, and you guys can check that out and see. Oh, look at that Nike Air on that ass, boy. That shit's fuego. You know what I'm saying? But you know, damaging, normal. You got the crack right there. But man, quality, I'm not gonna lie, nice, soft compared to the newer ones. You know what I'm saying? But really, by looking at it, only one of the midsoles need to be changed, and that's the one on the right shoe. Them things are fuego, y'all. So, what is y'all's oldest pair of shoes in y'all's collection? Because I know this is not Flo's oldest Jordan in his collection. For me, I'm going to share with y'all right now my oldest shoe in my collection. You know what I'm saying? So, these dope, very dope unboxing, and it made me want to share, knowing what shoe it was coming in, and just knowing that, you know, the shoes are very dope. You know, a lot of people don't hunt after older shoes. You know, people just go after newer shoes. If they're from like 99, well, not even 99, I'll say 95, 94. A lot of people don't go after those. That's something that I really want to do. I just got to find the right person to you know, fix shoes up. But my oldest shoe in my collection is right here. So right here is my oldest shoe in my collection, y'all. My Air Jordan 19 2004. You got the old box, you know what I'm saying, that came with these, and all that good stuff is inside. Still got the little net bag to it and everything. I actually showed these on a live stream. I'm not sure if people remember that. If y'all just not tuning to the channel and y'all haven't, you know what I'm saying, then y'all wouldn't know. Y'all wouldn't have seen it. But these are my oldest shoes in my collection, and I just wanted to know from y'all, how do you all feel about collecting old shoes? Do a lot of people collect older shoes, or a lot of people into collecting just the newer ones? But very dope shoe, the 19. I really like it. I actually got this from a sneaker convention in Tennessee, in Nashville. As you see, I've worn it. I definitely gave it some wear. Might even bring these things out because I just haven't bought them out in a while. But very dope shoe. My oldest shoe in my collection goes back to 2004 when it comes to Jordans. I think that this pair right here is really crisp, and bro got these for a steal. And I mean, everything OG in it. You got the OG box look to it, you know what I'm saying, from 99. You got your retro card, and can't go wrong with that Nike Air on the ass. So y'all let me know what y'all's oldest shoe in y'all collection is. This is my oldest shoe, you know, and I'm box gang shouted, so y'all already know dopest box in my collection to me, just because of the simple fact that how it opens up. I think it's so dope that the shoe opens up that way, you know what I'm saying? So 2004, you know what I'm saying, OG 19 things. Y'all let me know what y'all rocking with, man. If y'all just now tuned into the channel, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. Y'all already know we trying to hit that 2K, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Appreciate all the love and support that I get from each and every one of y'all. I hope y'all enjoy y'all's weekend. Of course, I will be dropping something tomorrow. Debating whether or not I might drop this video, and I might still go, well, I am gonna drop this video, but I might still go live tonight. So be on the lookout. If y'all ain't got that notification bell ring, y'all gonna miss that live stream. But be on the lookout. I plan to go live sometime this weekend for y'all, just to chop it up with y'all, maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure. But it's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. Don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram, posting them pictures daily. Hashtag the Retro Wiz Kid to be featured in the weekly sneaker rotation videos. Episode 20 dropping this Sunday, y'all. So y'all can check out what heat I had on my feet. You dig? And I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna shoot some pictures for y'all and give y'all some pictures in this video like I always do. Give y'all my oldest shoe and Flo's newest pickup, man. Definitely dope. Definitely think that the quality on these are way better than the newer way that they've done it, but a lot of people would agree. Nice softer leather on them, even though with time and age. But you already know Flo be rock Team Sneaker Shields. He gonna have the sneaker shields in that junk. Something that you can fix easily. But I love how the aging right there has happened. Me personally, I think the aging is dope when you got that yellow netting. Like, I just think it's dope. But y'all already know how we rock, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next video. You dig?